The thing about doing pull-ups, you have to do it the correct way. Even the guys that advance are going to have these same mistakes. So this video is going to show you how to fix them. Like that? Yeah? Good. Damn. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. Today I'm gonna show you 7 common mistakes that you'll see guys and females make in and outside of the gym while doing pull-ups. The thing about doing pull-ups, you have to do it the correct way. Even the guys that advance are gonna have these same mistakes. So this video is gonna show you how to fix them. We're moving on to our first mistake, the gooseneck. You'll see guys and females a lot of times when they're fatigued, they're tilting their head back and letting their chin try to get over that bar. That is one of the worst things to do because that off top is already giving yourself open doorway for injury to the neck. So to fix that, you want to tilt your head forward, pretty much give yourself that double chin and let the bar get towards chin level. Mistake number 2, arch upper back. When you're doing the pull-up, you want to keep your chest nice and high because then it's going to keep your shoulder blades and your scap a little bit pinched backwards, which is going to give you more strength and it's going to make the pull-up a lot easier because when you have them arch forward, you're putting tension on your rotator cuff that's not supposed to be directed in that direction while doing a pull-up. Now moving on to mistake number 3. The pulling arc. When you see a lot of people, again, when you're in the gym, they're using the momentum of a swing. So instead of going completely in a vertical position all the way down, all the way up, they're using that momentum, or also people may call it kipping, to give them that little boost to get themselves above the bar. If you're doing that, we call those cheat reps. You're taking the stimulation off of the muscle, the tension off the muscle. We're not just working out to work out, we're working out to make gains, we're working out to make progress. So form is key. All the way down and all the way up, the movement of a pull-up should always be. Common mistake number 4, half repping. Usually when you see this happen in the gym, it's usually from top to middle or it's from bottom to middle. You'll have that half rep rather than it's a person going all the way at the top, or they stay too high at the top and they're not going all the way down to that full range of motion. To fix this, I need you to have that mind muscle control on every single rep. So let that latch stretch as you completely lock out at the bottom, and then you stimulate and contract that muscle all the way up at the top until that bar hits the chin. Full range of motion is always important to build gains. Common mistake number 5, dropping to a complete hang. When you're doing pull-ups, that's a big common mistake. You do not want to completely go all the way up to the top and then just drop yourself. That's going to put too much tension on your shoulder, which then, if you're trying to build muscle, if you're trying to keep your reps high, you're cutting yourself short of that, because dropping to a complete hang puts a lot of tension on your shoulder, which then gasses you out, which then takes the factor out of you building more muscle and putting more reps in. So you should have the scap and your contraction from top to bottom throughout the entire set for every single rep. Common mistake number 6, the pelvic tilt. You'll see a lot of people have this mistake all the time. You'll see them too arch back, which that's not the way you should be doing pull-ups. If you're known and you do calisthenics, you know that the core is the base of strength. So you arching your back is putting too much tension on your lower back, which then you will get injured. 2, it gasses you out, which then you won't build as much strength and muscle as you want to, because you're cutting yourself from that extra rep and that extra strength. If you only keep that neutral tension, keep that core nice and tight, and I can guarantee your pull-up will get better every single time. Common mistake number 7, crossing your legs as you do pull-ups. A lot of people have that same exact mistake because this goes with common mistake number 6 with the arching of the back. When you cross your feet, you're having your legs backwards. There's only gravity that's going to bend you backwards, that's going to put that tension again on your lower back. You're not trying to focus the tension on your lower back. It should be on the lats. So you should keep your feet more in the neutral and tilted forward, which then will make your core more stabilized and a more of a neutral position, which then will help your rep and your set every single time you do pull-ups. Alright everybody, so those are the 7 common mistakes that you'll see people do in and outside of the gym. So the next time you go to the gym and you hit some pull-ups, focus on the little mistakes and little tips and tricks to tweak your form. And I can guarantee your pull-up game is going to get beyond what you're usually doing. So hit that notification button so you know when my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you. Metamorphosis complete.